and thank you so much for tuning back in. My name is Flawlizz. You already know what it is, aka A Flawlizz Beauty, aka the founder and the creator of Flawlizz Wigs. Now, first of all, this is my favorite scarf. My cousin got this scarf for me, and I love this scarf. Secondly, under here, I'm going to show you what I'm looking like. I have my 26-inch U-part unit that I clipped, that I made turned into clips. You can either sew it or you could, you know, clip it on. I love hair. I love doing hair. I love taking care of hair, but I don't like hair on me like that. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I have. This is what I look like under here. Don't judge me, guys. This is my leave out, and I actually had to braid. This is how I braided it. I don't even know what the back looked like. I'm just gonna hide my naps because I don't know what I'm looking like in the back. But these two extra braids, I just did that today because I wanted to just leave as less hair out as possible. And I'm going to press it and flat iron my hair because the way these naps set up, baby. Look at that. Girl, that's a call me back, okay? That's a don't call me back with these naps. So, yeah, I'll be right back, so stay tuned. Okay, I am back, and I am back with the pressing comb. So, kids, don't try this at home. If you're watching, please make sure that you have parental guidance around you at all times. Do not try to press your hair by yourself. Playing with heat will definitely burn your hair out. So this is just what I do. Kind of press it before I put the unit on, just to get these edges real nice and straight, baby. And so as I'm pressing it, I'm letting the back of the comb do all the work. The back of the comb is what gets it straight. Hopefully I don't burn myself. I think I'm gonna do it one more time. I do not put this much heat to my hair, and when I do, if I'm gonna go hard, look, you either go hard or you go home, and I ain't trying to go home right now, so I'm gonna go hard just a little bit with the pressing comb, okay? Be right back with round 2 of the pressing comb. Okay, I'm back with round 2 of the pressing comb. So, here we go again. I'm just gonna repeat that step. Like I say, I want it to get as silky as possible. Y'all see that? Yes, God, because the way my hair is set up, it is key to the key. But you can't tell. You can't tell now, huh? Look like I was born like this. Look like it's Maybelline. So you just go over that again. So I'll go ahead and I part my hair how I want my unit to lay. So it's gonna lay like this. You know what I'm gonna do actually? I'm gonna take you guys on a flat iron. I'm gonna flat iron our unit first, and then I'm gonna go over it and flat iron my hair. So stay tuned to watch me flat iron the unit. Okay, so I am back. Hopefully you guys can see me. I have to change the angle. Sorry, I gotta bend over and do all of this, you know, all of this extra flapping. But I wanted you guys to really see how I flat iron her. I don't even think I had a name for her, but we just for now gonna call her Quarantina, okay? Because that's what we doing. We quarantining and we shopping. So we gotta get her ready to shop, okay? And and here's a tip for those that don't have the clip in, but you do have like maybe a partial weave, or even a partial unit that's possibly sewed in. So, or even if it's clipped in and you just don't want to take the clips out, I'm going to show you an easy way on how you can still maintain it and flat iron it. Flat iron. Sound like somebody grandma. Sound like my granny. I love her though. But and flat iron it. So what you would do is, as you see, she's backwards. This is the middle, and she's turned this way. So you can part her down the middle if she's in your head already, or if she's not, if you don't have a doll head stand like myself. This is still an easy way. You can use a hanger, okay? Hang it up on something, and you can still do the same thing. So you just part her down the middle, and you work on each side. You work on one side at a time. That's the easiest way to go. And you just part her, because we're working at one side at a time. So you part her, clip that baby up, take your comb and a little bit of light spritz, and you, hold on, you know, sometimes the spritz get all stuck on the top of the thing. You gotta peel that off, and you just slightly, wait, hold on, man down, hold on. She still needs to be peeled off. Bear with me. There we go. Oh. I've had this jar for years, and I just kept refilling it. It's just Nairobi spritz. And then you take your flat iron, and you just flat iron her down with the comb. Now you can do this while she's in your head. You can do it while she's not on your head. You want this to be as silky as possible, honey, when we going shopping online. Ain't nobody got time. So, I'm just gonna speed this up. Hopefully you get the drift. And you take it one side and one section at a time. And listen, if y'all see the back of my head or anything, call 911 if you see a nap. Don't be alarmed, okay? Because they real out here. He's so pretty. Okay, so far I have almost completed the flat iron, but look at that baby. She is, hold on, let me get behind here so y'all can see the difference between this and that. I actually flat ironed this part, the top part, so it is a little more silkier. But before, baby, honey, please. Almost finished. Cover her. Just don't get it on my hair. Don't get it on Beyonce. We are going to put this baby on, honey. Yes. So before we put her on, let me just kind of clip myself up, clip my hair up, because we want to get her out the way because she has combs. So let's get all of this on out the way. And we're going to see what she do. And we're about to clip her in. Look at who's messing my video up. Okay, so let's see. Mind you, I braided this. Show y'all how easy. I can't look in the camera. I know you're supposed to look, but I can't look sometimes because it kind of throws me off. But actually, I have to look on this one. Just put these already coming together. Look at that. She is something else. Look at Quarantina coming through. Quarantina coming through for the 2020. Cause she wanna go shopping too. She said, don't leave me out. Put me on. Add me in. Check me out. Click go. And then we have put this in. Put her right there. So I measured her pretty good. Okay, she coming together. See, this takes about 5 minutes of your day. You can put this on, well, I was gonna say put this on your way to work, but don't do that while you're driving, that's dangerous. But if you have time, sitting in the parking lot to work, you can make yourself extra time if you're rushing. Just don't forget the unit or you're gonna be toe up. That ain't gonna be a good look to go to work and not be right. Okay, so now that we have her in, oh, y'all see this? Y'all see her, don't you? You see her. Tell me you don't see her, because I do. So we're going to, now, I'm going to flat iron it. Make sure that it's comfortable to your, you know, to your liking, because you don't want to be putting it in if your braids are too tight, or, you know, we're going to go through the braiding training, the braid training too. I'm going to show you step by step what I did to braid her down and stuff, because I want you to learn all that you can learn. This is important, learning how to take care of ourselves now, especially our hair, because especially the ones that don't know how to comb their hair and they really want to learn, this is an opportunity. I'm giving you free game right now. Free game. Look at that. She is coming together, honey. I can't wait to go shopping. Just gotta perfect the part, because that's just me. Come on, let me see that brush. Please. Thank you. Okay. So sometimes you gotta take a brush with the bristles in it and just comb over it. See that blend? It just helps it blend in. Now this looks like, you can't even tell. It looks like I got a sew in, or it's all mine. Which one? Just burn that paper down a couple of times. Blend that in with the weave hair. Girl, where we going? Girl, whose happy hour are we going to? Can't go to nobody happy hour right now. You can make your own cute just like this, honey. Don't get it twisted. Oh yeah, she is cute. So with the little frizzies that's sticking up, you can spritz her. What I like to do is spritz it, tie it down. And see, this part right here is for my edge control. I'm about to grab some. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my edge control. This is what I use, Edge Booster. It's pretty popular. So we're gonna put this on the edge. Cause see, the way that my edges are set up, can't put too much on it or it's gonna shrivel up and then that ain't gonna be cute. So, just put the bare minimum for now, which is just a dab-a-do-ya, yabba-dabba-do-ya. Okay. And then you take your edge brush which is supposed to have a comb on it, but I think I washed it. I'm not sure, in the washing machine. And then you can either let some hair come down or you can pull that back. Y'all see these grays? That's my kids stressing me out. Look at that. I'll probably just pull it all back for now. If y'all hear banging, some Mexicans or somebody next door is working on something, which I ain't even mad at them. Get it in, you know. It's a little oil sheen that I'm putting on, a little bio silk. And normally it don't have a lump to it, but because I did that braid going this way, it has like a lump. But I like it like that. And it's not lumpy, it's just volumized to me. So yeah, we in, honey. Like snake skin, we about to go shopping. Hold on, let me. She gotta go. She gotta go. No peeking times on this one, honey. We gotta be all the way right when we click on go. When we click on add to cart, checkout. Quit playing. So hold on, let me see. I don't know if you guys can see the full. Oh, she's stuck a little bit. Oh. Who does she think she is? Who? Y'all see this? Y'all see it, don't you? I know you do. Yes, honey. I'm just feeling myself. I'm sorry. I hope y'all feeling it too. But yes, so this is, it's time to go shopping. Y'all ready? All right, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions, or if I can answer any questions for you, or you have any other struggles, hair struggles that you're struggling with, let me know. Comment below. Ask away. I have the advice all the advice that I can give you is here for you, okay? So yes, if you need a Flawlizz wig unit, you can always hit me up too. But in the meantime, yeah, this is it. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. Peace.